Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Today's alphabet adventure is all about the letter J, and we are heading deep under the sea to meet two joyful jellyfish friends. They are squishy, floaty, and full of color, and we are going to draw and color them in a very magical way using watercolor pencils and alcoholic markers. So, are you ready to join in? Then let's doodle! Let's begin with our pencil sketch. We are drawing gently, no need to press too hard. We'll start with the first jellyfish cap. This one has a soft, round shape. At the bottom, we will add some wiggly curtain-like folds to make it look extra squishy and floaty. Now, just underneath that, let's draw another wiggly layer. This extra fold makes our jellyfish look even more real, just like the ones you would see drifting under the sea. Now, let's draw our second jellyfish friend. This one has a soft, rounded triangle shape for the cap. And just like before, we will add two wiggly curtain-like folds at the bottom. Jellyfish have been floating in the ocean for over than 500 million years. They're older than dinosaurs. Can you believe that? Time to add some smiley faces to bring our jellyfish friends to life. We are only sketching the jellyfish caps for now, but we will add all the fun little details after we finish painting the caps. That way, we won't smudge anything while coloring. How about a little accessory? Maybe a shell on the side of the round jellyfish's cap, just like a cute hair clip. Here we go. Our sketch is now ready. Now comes the fun part. Let's color using watercolor pencils. We'll start from the center of the cap with a soft yellow glow to make it look like the jellyfish is lighting up from inside. Next, layer on some light pink, then darker shades of pink, and maybe a bit of purple on the outer sides. See how we are gently building up the colors? These pencils are like magic crayons that turn into paint when we add water. Did you know, my friends, that jellyfish don't have brains, hearts, or even bones? But they can still glow in the dark. Some jellyfish light up deep under the sea like little floating lanterns. Amazing! Ready for some magic? Let's dip our brush in water and start blending the colors. Watch how the pencil strokes melt into soft, smooth shades, just like the real jellyfish glow underwater. And the best part? These watercolor pencils give you more control than regular paint. They are easier to handle and less messy, and if we make a mistake, we can lightly erase or clean it with a little water. That's why they are perfect for young artists. Here, I'm using a purple marker to add a bold outline around the cap. This will give our jellyfish a nice, strong color boost. Let's color in the eyes next, and sprinkle a few more fun details here and there. By the way, my friends, jellyfish are about 95% water. No wonder they look so soft and jiggly. See how I'm using a white marker to add some shiny highlights. This will make our jellyfish look all glossy and glowy. To color the second wiggly layer, I'm choosing different shades of blue and a touch of gray. I'll follow the same blending steps as before, starting light and adding layers for that soft floaty look. So follow along with me and let's have fun! Now that our jellyfish cap is beautifully colored and dry, it's time for the final touches. Let's add the long wiggly tentacles, just like they are drifting gently through the water. I'll be using purple, blue, and pink marker pens. Did you know, my friends, that some jellyfish are tiny like your fingernail, while others can have tentacles longer than a school bus? How fascinating is that? Oh wow! Our jellyfish friend looks amazing! So adorable and full of underwater magic. Ready for jellyfish number 2? This part will go a bit quicker since we are following the same steps. No surprises at all, just more jellyfish fun with a splash of different colors. Today, we've learned together how to use watercolor pencils. Can you try these pencils on other ocean creatures? Can't wait to see your creations. You can share them with us on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. Our 2 jellyfish friends are ready to float away on their underwater adventure. Thanks for doodling with us today. And remember, J is for jellyfish and J is for joyful drawing. Until next time, why not check out our other alphabet adventures and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.